Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Speak English Podcast, where we don't just learn to speak English, we learn to connect, grow, and care. I'm Christopher. As Augustus is exploring Dubai, I am your guide today. I heard he's having a blast there and also taught you many interesting airport and traveling phrases. If you haven't heard that podcast, don't worry. I am tagging it here. Please go and watch. And before we begin, I just want to check in. Have you had some water today? Maybe a moment of stillness for yourself? If not, I'll wait. Go ahead. Pause. Breathe. You deserve it. Today I'm bringing you 20 everyday English phrases that real people use in real conversations, in cafes, at work, with friends, and even during those quiet moments when you're just being human. These phrases will help you sound more natural, more confident, more you. Ready? Let's go. 1. I'm just browsing. You're in a shop, someone asks. Can I help you? And you don't really need anything yet. Just smile and say, I'm just browsing. It's polite, it's casual, and it buys you time. In 2. What's the catch? This is used when something sounds too good to be true. Like someone says, you can win a car for free. You can raise an eyebrow and say, what's the catch? You're asking, what's the hidden condition? 3. I'm swamped. We all have those days, right? When work is flooding over our heads. I'm swamped means you're very busy. Sorry I didn't reply earlier. I was totally swamped with emails. 4. I'll take a rain check. You'd love to go for coffee. Just not today. This phrase is a soft no with a maybe later vibe. Thanks for the invite. I'll take a rain check. 5. Let's play it by ear. You don't want to plan too much. You want to stay flexible. Not sure if it'll rain? Let's play it by ear. It means we'll decide when the time comes. 6. It slipped my mind. We all forget things. You're not alone. Oh no, the dentist appointment. It completely slipped my mind. Hey, it's a gentle way to say, I forgot. Or 7. I'm beat. Long day? No energy left? Just say, I'm beat. It's short, expressive, and totally relatable. I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'm beat tonight. 8. You nailed it. This one feels like a high five in words. You did something well, a presentation, a song, a joke, and someone says, wow, you nailed it. It means you did it perfectly. 9. It's not my cup of tea. Some people love cricket. Some love chess. If it's not your thing, just say, it's not my cup of tea. It's polite and honest. 10. Let me sleep on it. Big decision? Don't rush. Say, let me sleep on it. You'll decide tomorrow after resting your mind. Hey, can I ask you something? If you have a little balcony, a small garden, or even a single pot, could you plant something this week? A seed, a sapling, even just water a lonely little plant near your house? Let's build this beautiful community, not just with language, but with kindness. Okay, let's keep going. 11. I'm in the mood for, you feel like eating or doing something specific. I'm in the mood for some music tonight. It's a nice way to express what your heart wants. I'm at 12. No hard feelings. Let's say you argue with a friend. Later you want to let it go. You say, no hard feelings, okay? It means, I'm not angry anymore. Let's be okay. 13. Let's call it a day. You've worked enough. Time to rest. We've done so much. Let's call it a day. It's like giving yourself a well-earned break when you're 14. Cut it out. someone's being silly or annoying, maybe your little brother or best friend, you say, "Hey, cut it out." It means stop it, but in a playful way. You're 15. I'm all ears. When you really want to listen to someone, you say, "I'm all ears." It shows you're present and ready to hear them out. Beautiful, right? 16. Keep me posted. It's like saying, "Tell me what happens next. Keep me posted about your interview, okay?" It shows you care. 17. Fingers crossed. You're hoping for good luck, for yourself or for someone else. Fingers crossed your visa gets approved. It's hopeful, sweet, and encouraging. So 18. It's up to you. You're giving someone the power to decide. Do we watch a movie or go out? It's up to you. Simple and kind. 19. No big deal. If someone apologizes for something small, you smile and say, "No big deal." It's forgiving. Warm. 20. Better late than never. Someone's late or you are, but it's okay. "Sorry I joined late." Hey, better late than never. It's friendly, understanding, and full of heart. You know, words are powerful, but even more powerful is the intention behind them. So when you say, "No hard feelings," mean it. When you say, "Keep me posted," really care. And when you say, "I'm all ears," listen with love. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you found even one phrase that made you smile or think, this episode was worth it. And remember, drink your water, smile at a stranger, and if you have a tree nearby, go give it some love. We're not just learning English, we're growing together. Until next time, I'm Christopher. Stay gentle, stay curious, and keep speaking.